Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your card benefits with American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. Discover the various American Express card options available to you. Research the specific benefits associated with each card. Identify the card that aligns best with your lifestyle and spending habits. Enroll in the American Express Rewards program if you haven't already. Link your card to your online account for easy management. Monitor your spending categories regularly to maximize rewards. Utilize American Express offers for discounts and cashback deals. Take advantage of travel perks such as insurance and airport lounge access. Consider upgrading to a premium card for enhanced benefits. Stay informed about any promotional offers American Express may have. Participate in exclusive events or experiences offered through your card. Review your points regularly to ensure you are cashing in before they expire. Utilize the Membership Rewards program to transfer points to frequent flyer programs. Check if you are eligible for any additional card-related perks, such as dining credits. Keep an eye on the annual fee versus the benefits you receive. Read the terms and conditions thoroughly to understand all benefits and limitations. Plan your spending to align with categories that earn higher rewards. Use your card for recurring expenses to accumulate points steadily. Remember to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Engage with the American Express community for tips and insights. Regularly assess whether your current card continues to meet your needs. Explore the possibility of adding authorized users to increase points accumulation. Utilize tools and resources offered by American Express to track your rewards. Stay connected with American Express through their app for real-time updates. Consider using your points strategically for valuable rewards. Plan for large purchases at times when bonuses may be available. Utilize any travel booking platforms provided by American Express for added perks. Evaluate your card's benefits annually to ensure they still fit your lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.